Good morning. Yes, I did get the big green couch that I have been waiting to get delivered for the past 2 or 3 months now. It might actually be longer than that. I don't know. This room has been vacant for a very long time. But I will show you this in just a second. I just wanted to kind of introduce this video and let you guys know what we're going to be doing today. Even though I guess there is a video title, so you probably have a little bit of an inkling, but regardless. So me and my mother are going to be traveling this upcoming week. So it should be fun. She's gonna be, I keep wanting to say the word graduating, but she's gonna be retiring in October. So to kind of mark that big transition in her life, to kind of celebrate that, I wanted to do something special for her. You know, she is the woman who gave me life against my will. And you know, like I watched her struggle as a single mom to make sure that me and my sister had everything we needed growing up. You know, so kind of fond of her. But the woman is impossible to buy a gift for. She never wants anything for birthdays, Christmas, anything. I never felt like I got her something she actually wanted as a gift or like used all the time. But I think I thought of something that she might really enjoy. So for a long time now, she's been talking about wanting to go on a trip to Maine. She wanted to hang out at the beach. She wanted to eat a bunch of seafood. She just thinks it'd be a really beautiful place to visit. And she has never gone. The woman does not go on vacations. She does not travel. The last time I remember her going on a plane was probably like 20 years ago. So it's been a while. I thought it would be kind of a cool thing to pay for a trip to Maine. We just spend quality time. She loves that shit. You know, hang out, eat a ton of seafood, be tourists, do all the old lady shit that she loves. So yeah, it was originally supposed to be a surprise. Like I wasn't going to tell her about it and then just spring it on her. But like that doesn't really realistically work out very well. It was just easier to tell her. And I also suck at planning. So we've been planning this whole thing together for about a month or so. Currently, it's the day before we leave. I still have a slurry of things to do around the house. I would like to clean my entire house because, you know, as a little gift to my future self, because I don't know about you, but coming back from a trip to a state of disarray is not the best feeling in the world. So if we can prevent that, we would like to. And also, obviously, I need to pack. Have not done that yet. What I want to do is a little bit ambitious. I want to fit a week's worth of stuff in a backpack. First of all, I don't own luggage. I probably should, but in the past few years, has it really been a time to travel? No. But yeah, I just want to pack as minimal as possible just because I'm not really a fan of like carting a bunch of stuff from my life to another location for a short amount of time and then having to cart it back. It's just not really what I want to be about. I'm also not the person that will unpack their stuff once they get there in the hotel dresser. I just like live out of my bag for the entire time on vacation. So are all my clothes wrinkly as hell? Yes, but do we really care? No. So yeah, we're just gonna try to see if everything will fit in a backpack. And that's basically what we're gonna be doing today. So let's do it. So as promised, here she is. The big green couch. She looks absolutely fabulous. I couldn't be happier with the color. Does attract Douglas hair, but it wipes off really easily on this material, which I'm into. And I got a mini vacuum that I'll use later. And it made me super excited to decorate the rest of the living room. I was gonna like reveal it with like a whole updated living room thing, but we didn't have time for that. And I figure I don't want to try to be hiding this for the next however long it takes me to decorate this living room. So here it is in all her glory. At first, this was not comfortable at all. It was really hard. And I was like, oh my God, I just spent a lot of money on this couch that I've never seen before. And it's so uncomfortable, but it kind of broke in and it feels good now. And we're living for it. First things first, we got to get all this laundry going so we have something to wear.
Look, Simba. Everything the light touches
Is a mess. Okay, so we're just gonna take a beat really fast and try to list out all of the things that I'm going to need to pack. So hopefully I don't forget anything, but honestly, planning ahead has never been my strong suit, especially when it's like smaller details of things. So the likelihood that I'm gonna forget something is pretty likely. However, Maine is not uncivilized. It's not like I'm going in the middle of the jungle or anything. They have stores. So if I forget something, I can just buy it. But yeah, still trying to be prepared as possible. This time lapse made me realize just how much I lick my lips when I do literally anything, so it's really no wonder why I need chapstick 24/7. Anyways, I'm going to buy most of my travel size toiletries like bar soap and toothpaste when I get to Maine, but I'm gonna pack my shampoo because I'm pretty picky and I don't think Biolage comes in travel size, so I'm just gonna be squirting a little bit in this travel size bottle, and I put a piece of plastic wrap before screwing on the lid, so hopefully it won't leak. I'm also gonna put it in a Ziploc baggie just for added insurance. There's a little hack, a little tip, a little trick for those of you who care. Okay, so these are all of the things that I would like to fit in this backpack. We might be able to do it, we might not. Oh, all of these things and 2 pairs of shoes, but I'm obviously not going to put those on the counter because gross. So yeah, I guess let's just pack the best we can and hope for the best. I'm going to start with the jeans first. I should have started with the shoes first. I changed shirts, by the way, because I wanted to wash and wear the white one in Maine. Okay, and just with that, that was like 1/3 of the bag. So, pray for me. And then we're gonna put our toiletries on top, so then when we go through TSA, I could just pop them right on the top, slap them on the belt, and it'd be fine. And also, so if this leaks, it could get all over my shit, because that would be great. No, but I think we'll be fine. Ultimately, although my mom just called me and was like, hey, there's a hurricane that's happening right there. So I don't know. I couldn't fit the hairdryer. I'm just gonna like hope that my mom brings one or they have one already in the hotel. And you know, worst case scenario, I just air dry. Not really a big deal, but yeah, I was not really thinking that this would fit anyway, even though it's a really cool mini yellow one. This was just a more like a little bit dressed up shirt with a cardigan that I was thinking about bringing in case we went to like a fancier restaurant or something. And I still might stuff this in the bag, but I don't know. I'll have to think about it because this is pretty filled. She's thick. But ultimately, I think we streamlined pretty good. I mean, I have everything I need. Besides socks. I need socks. So, change of plans. We ended up getting an alert from the airline about a severe weather warning due to a tropical storm. When it turns out Hurricane Henri decided to visit that particular area for the first time in like 30 years. So, honestly, what are the odds? But the airline was offering to reschedule the trip with no fee, even though I did not opt for trip insurance, and it was like less than 24 hours before we were supposed to get on the plane. My mom and I talked about it and decided to postpone because, you know, being from Colorado, the amount of tropical storms we've experienced has been absolutely zero, and she was already nervous to fly even on a sunny day, so, you know, flying into a hurricane really didn't ease any nerves. The hotel and car rental place also charged no fee to cancel due to the weather, and like I said, extremely nice of them considering it was less than 24 hours notice. I am a little bit sad. I was really looking forward to spending some time with my mom and, you know, actually going somewhere and experiencing a new place, but we'll reschedule and we'll go another time, and it'll probably just be safer to do so. But so I'm sorry this video ended up kind of being pointless, but I just hope everyone in the area affected by Hurricane Henri is staying safe, and I thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!